Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I am well, and you?
Good, good, good. It's been a very long time.
Yeah, long time no see.
Yes. What have you been up to? What have you been doing?
Yeah, actually, I was so busy in giving examination, online university examination. So that's why I was busy a lot. But now I am free, and now I can reschedule the Cambly and start
Very nice.
talking with
Very
you.
nice.
Well, oh yeah, nice goggles.
Glasses.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If you could stop time, then what will you do?
Ooh, if I could stop time,
Yes.
would I be able to stop time with somebody else or just by myself?
Yeah, just by yourself and just for
Okay,
your purpose.
for my purpose. For how long could I stop time for?
Yeah, no limitation.
Okay, then I would stop time forever and I would not forever, but for as much time as I needed to fix some problems in the world.
Okay,
Especially
I
when it comes,
see, I see.
yeah. And then after I had fixed all the problems, I would find an island and I would build my house and make sure I have everything. And then I will press play and everyone else things will be sorted in the world and I can just sleep on the island for the rest of my life.
Oh, I see. Oh, lovely, lovely.
What would you do? What would you do?
Yeah, if I could that could do that, then I yes, actually there are some time I have to beat the clock, but so that's why I switched on and I switched off the time. Then I pause the time and I will do my uh, rest work, and also I will complete my work in time.
Yes, yes, that's a good one. Sometimes we need more time just to study.
Mm. Exactly. And yeah,
Exactly.
so mm, so how often do you
Sorry, how often do I?
use this superpower?
Oh, how often would I, if I had it, how often would
Yes.
I use it?
Yes.
I think I would use it if ever somebody made me, like my sister, she makes me very, like, I don't get angry. It takes me so much to get angry. But sometimes I just want to smack her. So I would use the time to pause, to pick her up and put her in her room, and then
Oh,
have some peace. And then I would,
ah,
okay, I'm
awesome.
out. Okay, carry on. I think I could do that. I would use
So
it every day to
yeah.
to have more time to paint, maybe even, or to read a book. And
Mm,
everybody is quiet because I live quite close to a road, so it's quite busy. So maybe I
yes.
would do it as well. Yeah. What would,
There will be everything will be fine and
yeah.
peaceful.
So every day, if I had the power, I would use it every day. It would be very handy.
Excellent, excellent. And
How
yeah,
often do you
mm,
use it?
yeah, whenever I wanted to use it, then I will definitely use it.
Yes, 100%.
Yes, yes.
Okay. If you had to eat one food, you can choose one something sweet and something savory, so something not sweet, like proper food.
Spicy. Acha.
For the rest of your life, you have to eat one thing. What would it be?
Oh my God. Yeah, it was quite difficult
It could
to
be anything and it won't make you fat. Like, it doesn't matter about the health or anything. If you could eat one food for the rest of your life and you will still be healthy and skinny, then what
oh
would you?
oh my God. Then I have to choose
The
the
what?
boiled the boiled food.
What is that?
Yeah, the boiled food. That means
Fried
boiled.
food. Fried.
Fried. No, no. I do not choose fried. I choose boiled food. Boiled.
Like what? What is boiled food? I
Uh,
don't even.
yeah,
Yes.
that may be vegetables or something. Some vegetables. I choose for vegetables. I go for vegetables because it make. vegetables.
Yes, but why? If you can eat
Be-
anything.
yeah, just so I have to choose one thing that would make me healthy and fit and fine, because I have to eat for uh, rest of life.
No, no, no. So you can eat anything because this it doesn't matter about health or anything. Like
Okay.
my question is if health and putting on weight doesn't matter, like this whatever you choose will still keep you healthy, it's okay. What would you choose?
Oh, in between spicy one and sweet one.
Yes. So like normal food. So for me, I will eat sushi every day and I will eat donuts. Something sweet is donuts. That's my
No,
answer.
I will choose spicy one.
Okay.
I love spicy.
Okay, so spicy boost, and then what sweet? You have two chances.
I First of all I will choose spicy one. Then I will choose sweet. In special in India, that is rasgulla is famous one.
Okay, very nice. And what spicy food would you choose?
That is biryani. I love biryani.
I love biryani. Yes.
Oh, you
Okay,
too. Wow. So
that's a
what?
good one. That's a very good one.
Okay.